Hi, I'm Sarah Vedler from Meaning of Life Designs, and I am delighted to share the brand new Awakened Hearts collection with you. Let's take a look at the details on each of the hearts. This is heart number 1, and this is all about dreaming. In the big pocket there is a quote that says, "Dreams live here." Now you can't see it from the outside, and it's a little challenging to see even from the inside, but it's there and it's a reminder, and who knows what will happen when you put your dreams in there. Write them on a little slip of paper and tuck them in this pocket. This one, the medium-sized heart, never stop dreaming. Absolutely everybody needs that reminder, I believe. So all of the hearts have a zipper pocket on the back. There are 2 ways of finishing them. This finish has a little narrow binding around the edge of the minky and is done using a regular sewing machine. Actually super simple the way to put the zipper in. But if you don't like the thought of getting in with your sewing machine and putting the zipper in, you can always do it using the design that's included. So plenty of space to pop something into the lined pocket that is on the back of each of the hearts. Even the small ones, they just have the zipper pocket on the back. They don't have a pocket on the front, but they are absolutely gorgeous and adorable. I can imagine carrying loose change in that, or just about anything, you know. The reason for the minky on the back is that I wanted for these hearts to be snuggleable. You could even put some stuffing in them and use them as a little pillow. So this is heart number 1. It has a kind of hidden pocket here, and it has that little saying on the inside of the pocket. Even if you can't see it, I believe it's working in your life. This is heart number 2, and not only is this heart reminding you to dream, it's reminding you to dream big. This heart has a pocket right here on the front, also says dream big. Right inside there you can tuck little reminders. I can actually see this particular heart sitting on the wall, just pinned onto the wall, and using it to tuck little notes and memos and things in there. Whether it's the big heart or the little heart, just beautiful to tuck whatever it is that you want to in there, and so that you can see it. Again, we have a zippered pocket on the back, and that goes into the lined interior of the back. And the little guy, the zipper pocket on the back, doesn't have the pocket on the front, but is perfect for a little purse to carry in your bag. Heart number 3 reminds us to believe. If you look inside of the medium-sized heart, I just adore this beautiful heart. It is elegant and just definitely something that you can cuddle with the minky on the back and use in all kinds of different ways. This one is the long, tall heart. It's perfectly big enough to stick a cell phone in here, and especially if you were to put a little snap just on there to stop it falling out, put a couple of straps on it, and you've got yourself a beautiful little purse. The small guy doesn't have the pocket. It does have the same style of stitching. The big one has this beautiful big pocket. It extends all the way to the edge of the heart there, as does the little one. Did I tell you the big heart, the message in there is carpe diem, seize the day. This is heart number 4, and I think of this heart as the wonderful world heart, with the sun shining, the moon, the stars, the fluffy clouds, the rainbow, and the flowers growing. I couldn't resist putting this soft minky pocket on the front here, and if you look inside the big one, this is where dreams come true. Tuck something right into that pocket if you want your dreams to come true. Again, we've got the zippered pocket on the back leading to the lined interior, and this little guy has Keep Dreaming. I guess I was thinking a lot about dreaming and the need for us all to be doing that, to be dreaming of a wonderful world where we are loving each other and living in peace together. Heart number 5 is the love heart. Love always. Live, laugh, love is what it says inside this pocket. And choose joy. This heart has the beautiful swirls and feathers. It's just gorgeous. Again, we've got the zippered pocket on the back, and there are plenty of things that you could tuck into this little pocket on the front. Heart number 6 is the sparkling gemstone heart with all of the facets of the stone or the gem sparkling away in the light. This also is a reminder to love and pop anything that you like in there. That is a reminder. And it's a reminder that anything is possible today, especially our young children. I think they need to really learn that anything is possible today. Maybe the 80s and 90-year-olds need to remember that too. In fact, I think we all do. Heart number 7 I think of as the yin-yang mask. For some reason, with the two parts of it and they interlock together, I just adore this beautiful sun that we have in applique on the large heart, and we have in a stitched motif on the small heart, which makes it look absolutely quite differently. The medium-sized heart I think of as a carnival mask with the eye, and I can just imagine somebody looking out through that eye and knowing that miracles happen. That is what it is telling you inside there. This one, we have the beautiful sun here in pure stitching on the inside.